Sorry. Hey, I don't know how to do intro. If somebody knows how, like Flipper, YouTuber, I don't know how to say it. But if anybody knows how to do intro, tell me. Leave it in the comments below. So if you're wondering why I have a pink background, I have to sleep in my sister's room because my grandparents are sleeping there. They're not here, but we can't move the bed. So yeah, 1 second. Sorry for the light. So here are my Nerf guns that I can see so far. I lost most of the bullets, so bear with me right here. So got this. This is let's open it. So
I am Optimus Prime.
So yeah, that's not good. This thing, I'll show you how it shoots. I'll keep all my bullets in my sister's little case. Bear with me. It doesn't shoot too bad. Okay, it's bad. Maybe it's one bullet. Let me grab a different bullet. Yeah, that's the only bullet we have. That works for this. Got this one. I don't know all the names. All I know is one. The Optimus Prime one, not Nerf. This one, not Nerf. I got 2 more Nerf ones in there. I got 3, which is the Nerf Mega Cyclone Shock. So yeah, let's try this out. Very easy. Has this thing, a little rail, shoot a little disc. This one a little bit better. Bounces. You might not see it from the camera. It bounced from that wall to here. I have to shoot upside down. That might be better. It's alright. This is the most powerful one. This one. Sorry, water. This is for ages 14 and up. It's $30 or $20 some dollars. It is very powerful. It takes these foam bullets. Little foam bullets, rubber. I'll show you how to shoot later.